Never waste a single bite with the Tupperware KPT silicone spatulas. They are every cook's essential, the best companions for all your kitchen tasks. Our versatile silicone spatulas are a super safe kitchen tool for all types of materials, from non-stick to aluminum and stainless steel cookware. The head has two sides. One is rounded and flexible, great for scraping down straight sides, while the other is perfect for getting into any corner of mixing bowls or dishes. Thanks to their slim design, they offer the necessary flexibility to be able to scrape out everything to the last drop, ensuring that you won't waste a single bite. The silicone heads are heat resistant, up to 100 degrees Celsius or 210 degrees Fahrenheit, stain resistant, and easy to clean as they are dishwasher safe. Its textured handle provides a sturdy grip, and the hole at the end allows for convenient hanging when not in use. Even better, they won't retain odors and germs like wooden kitchen tools. The thin silicone spatula features a long handle that lets you reach into any bowl or deep, narrow jar to scrape out every last drop. Your jars are ready to be recycled and no food is wasted. Easily mix your ingredients with no added friction. It is the perfect tool for emulsifying chocolate, spreading icing or jam on small desserts, and so much more. With the silicone spatula, you'll be able to easily mix your wet and dry ingredients. It is the perfect tool to use for any recipe, even delicate ones like macaroons or sponge cake. Its length ensures that it can reach into any shaped bowl, pot, or pan, and scrapes out the contents without leaving a trace. These silicone spatulas are also the perfect pair for your supersonic choppers, as they can scrape out every last bit. Use the thin spatula for the compact and tall, and the large for the extra. When not in use, you can store your silicone spatulas in a drawer, utensil jar, or hang them using the small hole at the end of the handle. Their slim and flexible design make them fragile for potential cuts. Many cuts that can happen when they come in contact with a knife or blade during washing could become much larger in use and damage the spatulas. Make sure to wash them apart from any sharp object to maximize the pleasure of using them for a very long time. Children are always disappointed that they can't lick the batter from the bowl because with our silicone spatulas, there will never be a drop of batter left.